Hello, welcome to Trucksat. If you like truck content, sub. If you like bus, train, and fake TV channel content as well, sub. Gonna keep it short and sweet, so you don't have to hear me ramble on about my channel, because that's not what you're here for. You're here for trucks. Or at least I hope you're here for trucks. And of course, we've got to mention MSCs. We didn't get one last episode, so hopefully let's get back into business with them. Lydia Linda, what a name. Oh, that's not a truck. I was annoyed about missing a Knowles truck, because it looked nice. But now I'm wondering, what was the point? That is posh, that. That's not posh, it's nice. Proper bougie, that. We haven't had any MSCs, but we're getting some actually really nice little... My voice is breaking. Let's go. I mean, I can't see me now. I was about to put a thumbs up and then I realised that they won't see me put the thumbs up. But yeah, there was a beep there. Hopefully you can hear it over my fucking talking. But if not, there was a beep. Just re-rock. It shouldn't be completely unhearable. Right, there's one there, but I think the one's coming from this end will come first. Right, don't worry, you haven't missed any, but I've rewatched the footage and it is very hard to hear, so it will make it louder when it appears. So, hopefully you should be able to hear it. CapCut can make things fairly loud, so yeah. That's my third beat there. Hard to hear, but it happens, I heard it. Oil salvage thing again. Ah, it's blue. That's CMA CGM. What the fuck happened to that? It's meant to be CMA CGM. It's got little swirls. You just can barely see the CMA CGM. Oh, hello. Right. I think the MSC consistency might be at an end. No! Come back! Alright. Oh, there we go! Here we are. Star Wars Episode 5, the return of the MSC. Let's fucking go. Ah. Okay, it's nearly time to go, but first I'm catching these. Oh, there's another MSC there. It makes me wonder, why did I worry? Is that it? I think that's it. Alright. Well, we're almost at the end of the episode. Thank you for watching. If you like this sort of content, subscribe, because it helps the channel, because that's what subs do, I guess. If you like truck, the odd bus, train, and fake TV channel video, this is the channel for you. And if you're into like some of those things, you might as well subscribe anyway. And especially if you like truck content, because I do it every weekday. So, consistency. It's a goddamn tractor going on the road. Go fuck yourself, tractor. Sorry that I told you to go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Bye. I think that is the last one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And bloody leg. Ow. That hits like a fucking not. Ah! Oh shit, any more for any more? No.